Hi guys, thanks for joining me. It's Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me, and I haven't done this in a while. I've been a little behind. So I've gotten a couple of paper pumpkin kits over the last couple months, and I'm just going to show you the flyer for May's. This was May's kit, and it was absolutely gorgeous with the little bird's nests and the birds and feathers. This was the Hugs from Shelli kit in May. I'm not going to do an unboxing, but I will show you this kit. So I'm a little behind, so we'll do the May one. I'll show you what I got inside the kit, and then I'll do the unboxing for the June kit. So this is May, Hugs from Shelli, and it came with these adorable little bird embellishments. And I'll just take it out here so you can see it a little bit better. They are metal and they're very lightweight. Although if you use these 3D items, you'll probably need extra postage just because it'll raise it up a little bit. So those are them. Let me get the camera to focus. Or there we go. There we go. Very, very cute. And so it came with about 4 of those. Of course, your glue dots and dimensionals, little tiny dimensionals. And the stamp set, which let me move this so you can see. So it has grateful, hello, for you, love, and thank you, hugs, dear friend. So I love how they have 2 different fonts. I think that's really nice for making a card. In the bird, some ink, an ink splotch, which adds a little bit of different dimension on the stamping. And then a little bouquet. Little bouquet. So cute. And then of course, I love this kit because the cards are a little bit smaller, so they give you more. There was enough in here to make, I can't remember off the top of my head, I think it was 9 cards and envelopes. Let's see, 12. It was 12. So for the cost of the kit, $21 plus tax, you're getting to make 12 cards. And these are adorable handmade cards. So you have a couple of 4 different types of bases. This one I love. It has the different prints on there. Sorry, my son's in the background making a lot of noise. And then there's this pretty bird one. I used a couple already. Okay, so those are the bases. So there's 4 different bases. Those are the 4 different cards. You can buy refills of this kit on StampinUp.com, and I'm going to post my link in the box below. So if you are going to purchase, excuse me, I'm sorry. Okay. If you are going to purchase, please follow my link in the box. That will take you to my website to purchase from Paper Pumpkin, my link. These are the matching envelopes. Again, so cute. So Shelli put a lot of thought into these to have the matching envelopes as well. So you can buy refills for this. You can't buy the stamps any longer, so you'd have to use your own stamp set for that. And then of course the embellishments that came with that. I already punched them all out, and I keep the little baggies that come with it so that I can keep everything together. So it has the feathers. I love how realistic they look. Very realistic. There's little flower embellishments, and then the little tags, and there's different sizes on the tags. So that's that one. And now this set, I was very impressed that she included so many ribbons. This set came with 3 different types of ribbons. So you have the twine, like a nature's linen thread. That's a little bit, it's smooth and it's very durable. And then this, beautiful velvet trim. This is gorgeous. So they have a nice soft velvet trim. And then the pink linen kind of thread. It's almost like a chenille. It's very soft I love the texture. Very soft. And again, this one you can buy the refill kit and you will get all of these supplies. The only thing you don't get when you get a refill kit, the only thing you don't get are the stamps, and you do not get the stamp pad. In this case, the color was Early Espresso, and it looks like, yeah, Early Espresso. And of course you don't get a block. That only comes with your first kit. So you have a way to put the stamps on there. This comes with your first kit only. But then you have a block to make your cards. So thanks for watching, guys. And I will do an unboxing of my June kit next. So stay tuned, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.